Guess who's coming to dinner?
Today we are preparing pepper soup. Ingredients we are going to be using for this soup are ginger, pepper, garlic, and onion. We use two types of the onions, the white onions and the purple ones. Also for the seasoning we are going to be using for this soup, Maggi cubes, about 6 of them, and per soup seasoning. First, we blend the ginger, the pepper, the garlic, and onions together. The meat we are using for this pepper soup is goat meat. Here it has already been cleaned, washed, and cut ready to be prepared. We put the goat meat first into our cooking pot. We are using the pressure cooker pot. Then we add more than half of the blended ingredients. Next, we add 4 Maggi cubes and then stir everything all together. Cover the cooker and leave it to boil. It has started boiling and oh my god, the aroma. It had filled the whole house. Anyways, we add water to cover the meat. For the quantity of meat we are using, we add 7 glasses of water. We mix again and then add some pepper soup seasoning. Depending on the amount of heat you want in the soup, you can add the quantity you prefer. Then we're going to add some of the onion, ginger, pepper blend. Then we cover the pot and leave it to boil. Once it has started boiling, we are going to add the remaining blended ingredients and then some more spices. So 2 Maggi cubes and a spoonful of the pepper soup seasoning. And then we leave the soup to keep boiling till the meat is very soft. And of course, how are we going to know the meat is soft if we don't taste? So we are scooping some of the meat to taste it to see if it is soft enough. And at this point, the pepper soup is done. And trust me when I tell you, it was delicious. It was finger licking good. So there you go. We have our goat meat pepper soup ready.